All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So you got your Google Pixel Fold in, and you want to protect it. Well, the folks over at Whitestone Dome sent over their dome case Escudo and their 2-pack of Easy Dome glasses. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these on and protect this device. So first thing we want to do, let's move the case aside for a second. We'll get this cleaned up. We'll get the screen nice and clean. And this protector should have, it has like a, this is a 2-pack, so you get 2 full packs of this right here, like the complete, put it on, press it, go. So the first thing you'll do, as you can see here, is you'll put it in. After you peel it off, these are the instructions you follow. So let's go ahead and clean it up. And you get all this in the packaging here. You get all of this ready to go, just like that. So we'll go ahead and use a wet wipe. Get it cleaned up. All right. Nice and clean. All right. And then we'll use the microfiber cloth to clean it up. Get all the little dirt out that we can get. We'll also hit it one more time before we put the actual glass on. And we're going to use the dust removal. We'll make sure we hit this up really good. Because once you put this on, folks, it's a wrap. Once you start to press it down and you put it on there, if there's any dirt under there, it's a goner. It's a you are going to have to be stuck with it. So I tend to really try to hit this hard when I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and peel this. This is a little brick that you take out right here. And then let's peel this off. And you can see I'm still holding this because I'm going to hit it one more time. And I'm going to hit it again too. Keep hitting it. So I'm going to peel this off. Make sure you don't touch that. And I like to keep it face down. Then I hit this one more time. And then I'll pop it on. Put the device in. So the first thing it says to do is what, folks? Go side to side. Then go down. And then up. And you can kind of see it adhering nicely. Oh, this is going to be good. And then the fourth thing is to peel this up. So I'm pressing down on the cage and I'm peeling up on this like this. That's what I'm doing. Like that. I was pressing down on the cage and peeling up, and then I just release. And look at Whitestone Dome with the perfect install, son. Ooh. Now I've already got screen protector mode turned on, but what you want to do is you want to go down to, look how speedy that device is. You want to go down to settings, you want to go to display and go all the way to the bottom and make sure you turn that on beforehand. And you're it. You are done. That is a clean install. Look at that. Not a mark or bubble or anything on there, man. That's what I'm talking about. So now, let's clean this up. Let's get the case checked out. Let's see if we can protect it with the case too. Now this is a more heavier duty case. So a lot of people might not like this. I like heavy duty cases. So, you know, it's just how it is for me. Now this does have a glass on it already right there. It has a tempered glass built into the case. So this is something that if you don't put the tempered glass on, this one actually comes with a freaking tempered glass already. So hopefully this will be somewhat compatible. And it actually is. Do you believe that? Even with their tempered glass, it still is compatible. Get out. So you see how I'm opening it up like this. Now you can also clean this off. I always clean devices before I put them on. And you slide this on like this. Snap it on. Then you close it up. And we can peel off this back portion here because why? It has a freaking kickstand. Look at that. Boom. So just checking it out here, this is a metal kickstand. This makes the device a little bit wider, so just be mindful of that. But it does protect your device. You are officially protected. Now, I was actually going to wonder about that fingerprint reader because it's cut out right there and it's kind of deeply recessed. I was worried about that, but it looks like it's good to go. There's a little indentation there where it'll hit it, so it's good to go. So then you look at the volume rocker, nice and tight. It's real tight. Yeah, that joint's tight. So when you open it up, see how this kind of opens separately? Let's see how this is. That would have been a nice place for a pin, right? So let's just crack it open, and then obviously it goes right in. So boom, there it is. We are in there, man. It works. It just works. So this is the case and screen protector setup from the Whitestone Dome people. I appreciate them hooking this up and sending it over. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Nah, I'm just playing. You do what you want to do. It's your man Jay. I'm out.